Honestly, the big reason why we chose to work with Everflow is one, the UI is very nice, which was my personal thing. We were using a system before that I didn't like the UI. I know it's a little superficial, but the probably the more important factor is that we needed a system that had the ability for us to have really deep control over how affiliate payouts worked, in the sense that we work in insurance and there's a lot of variety in lead revenue data for different states, different time of day. It matters a lot to the partners that we're working with. And the best way for us to properly optimize campaigns is for us to be able to send the signals back to the affiliates. So if we needed to have a campaign that paid out differently on different states or different times of days, it was really easy for us to set it up in Everflow. And it was one of the primary reasons that we began searching for a new platform, because we had a lot of difficulty with it in our old platform.